sensibly structured and designed.
As Kilikili, we are very happy to have been associated with this project to create this first inclusive play space in Chennai, along with the Greater Chennai Corporation, the Smart Cities Limited, as well as civil society organizations including the Disability Rights Alliance and City Works.
A place where sensitive expectations turn out to become a sensational experience.
It's been an amazing experience to work on the design of this inclusive park. We've tried to keep in mind the needs of children of various ages and various abilities.
One of the unique initiatives taken by GCC under the Chennai Smart City project.
As you can see in the background, the amenities over here, which essentially caters to the kids of that particular age group. They have swings, slides, seesaws, they have this merry-go-rounds and things like that, which are of really very high quality.
Especially for the specially challenged children.
இந்த பார்க்கால எங்கள் குழந்தைங்களுக்கு நல்ல பயனாக உள்ளது. இங்கே இந்த மற்ற பார்க்குங்களே எங்கள் பசங்களுக்கு போய் விளையாட முடியாது. இந்த பார்க்கில் வந்து எங்கள் குழந்தைங்க கீழே விழுந்தாலும் அடிப்படையாத அளவுக்கு கீழே லப்பர் ஷீட்லாம் போட்டு வச்சுருக்காங்க.
They have provided soft mats throughout the place where children can generally tumble down and fall from these slides or any other amenities, ensuring that the child is not hurt in any way. So this gives a lot of confidence to the parents as well, that they can sit relaxed and ensure that the child plays hassle-free.
We also have a lot of tactile stimulation, which is through various equipments. We have stepping stones, which are which are little small tables at different heights and which have different textures on them. We also have the infinity in the form of an 8, which has again different textures like grass, sand, stones, on which children can walk and which provides much needed tactile stimulation.
Sensory Park comprises the features to cope with multiple senses of individuals of different kind.
We truly believe that creating an environment which is open, accessible, fun and colorful encourages children to come out and play and explore it in the way that they see it best.
Since the park is open, we have been seeing a lot of schools, institutions as well as families bringing children with disabilities to the park. This is very heartening because we hear of children coming from North Chennai and who are playing with the other children who come to this park.
An all-inclusive park for children of all ages and with different abilities.
On the left there is a very neatly kept washroom, restroom for usage by both the kids and the parents. So I think that is another aspect where typical corporation parks or any other parks will not have very clean usable restrooms. So this is one thing I think which is really good about this place.
To make the children feel more happy and engaged.
நல்ல ஊஞ்சல் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. எங்கள் குழந்தைங்க இங்கே வந்து சந்தோஷமாக விளையாடி என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறாங்க.
Sensory Park is an apt space where specially conceived and projected recreational programs can be conducted.
It's so much fun, and usually I'm bored at home in the summer holidays, so it's also a nice place to be at, and I like how they have plants everywhere and they also have equipment for handicapped children, and this is a really nice place to hang out.
BA visually impaired ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காகவும் அங்கே பரமபதத்தில் பிரெயில் லெட்டர்ஸ்லேயும் அவங்க வந்து இது பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கனால அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்குது அது விளையாடுறதுக்கு. அவங்க நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதனால குழந்தைங்க நிறைய பேர் டெவலப் ஆகிருக்கிறாங்க.
Every child inspires.
We've also had the wonderful opportunity of interacting with artists and making sure that art is very much part of this project.
At Sensory Park, they aspire, they are happy, they get special care.
We are also very happy to see that the local residents in the local neighborhood has responded very positively to our appeal for volunteers, and now we have a group of volunteers who are here every evening to see that the place is maintained well as to see that the equipments are not damaged and that all children get to play well. It's very heartening to see this, and we would really want more such spaces created all over Chennai, and to see both the government and the local neighborhood come together to create such spaces for our children.
It is very friendly towards gifted children, and if you see, the merry-go-round has access for gifted children to directly get onto it with the help of their wheelchairs, and also there is a particular swing which gives access to children with on wheelchair to sit on it and enjoy the typical swing that any other child would enjoy.
In general, the idea is that once you create a public place which is open to all, people of all ages, all abilities can come and play together, creates just a better society.
Sensory Park provides an environment that makes our city children happier and healthier. And yes, they are on their own, in their own world.